This is how I'm used to seeing my old Datsun. Inside my mom's garage, up on blocks, since the 1990s. Today, that all changes. The wheels are back on, and it's ready to be back on the ground. I wasn't completely successful at fixing the brakes, so my dream of driving it to my house won't come true. But the 210 is running, and I think it has enough stopping capability for me to back it out under its own power. I hope it can stop. I think it probably will. It starts pretty easily, but it's very loud. I'll need to have a whole new exhaust system installed from the exhaust manifold on back. While it was inside, I did a lot of bodywork to the driver's side, including some rust repair, and I even repainted the fender, door, and quarter panel just for practice. It looks acceptable, not great, but pretty good. And one day I'll have the whole thing repainted by a professional. But right now, I'm happy to get it out of the garage and treat it to a nice driveway car wash. The brakes are just barely working. I tried to bleed them twice, and each time they improved a little bit, but not enough. I may have missed something when I installed the new master cylinder, but who can remember 13 years ago? Luckily, I know a very reliable and skilled mechanic who is extremely honest and fair with his prices. I was going to take it to him anyway to check my work and to make sure this Datsun is safe for the road, but while it's there, I'll let him figure out the brakes, and I'll also treat the Datsun 210 to some new 13-inch tires. My car is a patchwork of colors right now, but someday it'll be one solid shade of metallic red again. Each spot is a memory of something I tried to fix over the last 40 years. So even looking like this, it still makes me smile. "30 minutes before sunset is the perfect time of day to start this project. It's cooler, and the lighting is just about, well, perfect.